Good morning, El Nido. So we are going now and see. Our tour is tour C. So I have two guests, my beloved guest from Yuki. Okay, by the way, Captain Jones will be the guide for them. Okay, sir, what's your name, please?
Ian, hello.
Her mom?
Angela.
Okay, so shout out and and what's that? Turkey? What? And Yuki.
UK.
I mean Yuki. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
So I'm very happy because my guests now they are very kind from UK. Okay, yes. Oh, yes. Mom, Sir Aid, right? Aid and Mom Angela, right? Okay, hi. You're happy, yeah, very good. Woo. Yeah. She's very happy. Me too, I'm happy. Our Captain Julius, and the crew. Wow, the handsome boy. Oh my goodness. Woo. Okay. So we are proceed to Helicopter Island. Yes. I know Sir Ed and Mom Angela was very excited. Huh? Excited, yeah. Wow. Me too, I'm excited, man. Woo, good morning, all of you and the whole world. Thank you so much.